Okay, nze bampita Kirabo Ruth Twagira. I'm the wife to Honorable Nyeko Derrick. So, nga omanyi omuntu yenna akonkona ku gate. So ade bakonkonya maanyi, and I think askari abadde ali mu kinaabiro. Kati ne mugamba abantu nga bali ku gate baluddeko bakonkona. So wagenze nagula wabadde yakagulawo bwati. They batched into kati we bayingidde nga bangi. Omwana nangamba mami abantu bayingidde nga bangi basirikale. Nenyingira ne mbagamba, how can you enter my house like that? Mulina okuyingira with permission. What has brought you? Naye nga bakozesa a lot of force, and they wanted to immediately enter the house. So I'm like, you can't enter my house just like that. Show me why you're here. Then they showed me a court order. Nembagamba naye temusobola yingira without any other witness. I've seen this. So ne tulinda chairman naye nga bakosa a lot of force kubaddeko bannamagye. Nembagamba, if you're from Kabalagala police, lwaki ate abamagye kwebali? If you're from Kabalagala police, minabeera basirikale mwekka nendabako bannamagye. Ng'oyo omusajja ow'amagye muwanvu we yandabye nga ndi so rude, like I was so much on them, najjako erinnya lye bweyabati. So nga so alaba linnya lye. Naye ng'agamba buli dakika gye mumala wano eno ebintu bali bifulumya. Ne mugamba bafulumya biki. So he was pushing me bayingire. Ne mwate musobola yingira nga tekuli any other witness. I can't be alone nga muliwe muti bangi. At least call one of my neighbors to be another witness. Our chairman wajide ne bayingira, but they were so harassing me. We balabye camera wano eno kati wano ne babeera cool. So batuse mu corridor y'ennyumba. Ne batanka okwebuzaabuza ate babadde bangi. So I told them I need order here. You can't be in the corridor, others are in the bedroom, abalala bali wabweru. Kiki kye mwagala okukola? Mweno bamuyingira mu kisenge katuyingire ffenna nga oyo mujaasa agaana. Nabagamba nze nkimanya emundu zirimu. I'm like, you've come looking for something you know that is here. Just direct them wekiri mukijewo mugende kuba kiraga gomanyi kye mwagala. Chairman nga bagamba eno nyumba ya muntu mulina respectinga byagenderamu nga bakosa a lot of force. So they just batched into my bedroom like that without my consent nga bangi. What I had to do nembagamba, you can't search for anything without me. I'm going to remain in the corridor. I can't leave people in my corridor. Tewali camera. Nenge nenyimirira okubanga ano tewali camera. Maybe they would put anything. Kwa bazenga balina kye baagala ate nga tebakiraba. So nengano yingira mu kisenge paka oba osiwa nabagamba bonna bayingire. They all entered my bedroom nga basearchinga nga like it's their house. Nga mbagamba ebyo temubikwatako nga they are using a lot of force. You know that harassment. Yeah, that's what has happened. Batutte engato z'omwami wange ntino z'abasirikale, these jungle boots ne overalls zino ze bakoleramu mu field. Ntino ya counter terrorist bazambala ekiro ne batta abantu. So nengambo oyo musirikale, that's really a huge word. Lwaki oba oyogera ekintu ky'okutta abantu? For him, he was on a mission to insert something that he didn't find. Twala nezibalemesa ziri awo nga mbagamba, this is a white color. People are not allowed to wear white. Kiki ekibatwaza engoye za white? In numbers, babadde bangi. There were countless. Kubaddeko abasirikale, bannamagye, ba detectives bazenga 10. You know, there are so many. My name is Kirabo Ruth Twagira, the wife to Honorable Nyeko Derrick. So we had a huge knock, and it was so strong. I told my askari to go and open, and the moment he opened like this, they pushed him, and they entered. I saw army guys, policemen, detectives, people that were not putting on uniform. There were so many. So I told them, why are you here? You just can't enter my house like that. And the moment they entered the gate, they wanted to enter the house. Now I told them, you can't enter my house like that. So they had to show me a court order. And I'm like, okay, you've showed me this, but you can't enter my house without any other witness. And then the chairman came in. So when they entered, they saw cameras. So when they saw the cameras, they were so terrified. So they wanted to do their kavuyo in my corridor. because they told me, we want to first enter your bedroom. I told them no problem. So I was leading them to my bedroom, and the other people wanted to remain in the corridor. I told them, I can't let you remain in the corridor without a camera. If you all want to search my bedroom, you all enter. So then wakola wakavuyo, and then we entered my bedroom. They were so harassing me. Like it was that. The army guy asked me, where is the gun? Where are the things used to harass people? I told them my husband is a member of parliament. He's not an army guy, so you can't find anything like that. And that army guy, he was told, the moment he saw me being so hard on him, he removed his name. And for him, he was so sure there are some things here. So probably they wanted to put them there, but we were very tight on them.
What have they taken?
They have taken his shoes, the overall, the black one. Into those are the counter-terrorist kind of wear. So he uses them in the night. What they have left? They have left some other white clothes because I refused them to take them. I asked them, aren't people supposed to wear white? If you're taking white, that means you're supposed to arrest them for wearing white. They left a document, the search document, they left, but I asked them for the court order to leave it behind, and they refused. Besides, they didn't let me read it well. They were opening for me, you know. Nebandaga, that part they wanted me to see. But I told her, let me read the whole thing, and she refused to give it to me.
How many were there in number?
There are really so many. They were inclusive of the army guys, policemen, people without uniform. Literally, there were many. My compound was full, and my house was full as well. Our Honorable was out in the constituency for some work. Yeah, so that's why he was not able to come meanwhile.
Amanya nedobozi yenze Enoka kumbere baddewo olunaku lwa leero Enoka kuteesa kumbere baddewo olunaku lwa leero tubadde tuli wano tugenze olaba emmotoka za poliisi zikabangali nga ziyingira ku kifo workshop garage we tukolera ewa parkinga kansala wa NUP then oluvannyuma lw'eddakiika nga 4 ku 3 ne bamala ne bagenda nayo oluvannyuma lw'okugamba nti bakutte enkofiira mu mmotoka ye ne twebuuza lwaki omuntu abeera amutwalira enkofiira. Tubadde tusaba mirembe ffe ng'avuka ku Kinyolo Road gavumenti etuyambe etekewo emirembe buli muntu abalibwemu amagezi okusinziira nga bw'ali. Nze ndi wa boda owa NUP omuwagizi ow'amaanyi mbalamusiza nnyo bannayuganda banna.